Eto guys, so testing time na tayo nitong ating Bluetti AC50B. So small appliances muna tayo as of now. Naka-turn on na siya pero hindi pa natin binubuksan yung DC and AC. Pakita ko muna sa inyo lahat ng appliances na simultaneously nating pagaganahin. Unahin na natin tong router na to na nakakonekta sa isang extension cord and nakasaksak dito sa ating 220 volts. The other 220 volts naman is nakakonekta dito sa ating extension. Yung white wire is para dito sa ating TV console. Pagaganahin niya yung ating TV of course and then yung ating mga ilaw ng console. The black wire naman is para dito sa ating sound system. The other one is para naman sa aking laptop. Okay? And then the other black wire is para dito sa ating electric fan. Then para naman sa ating DC, nakakonekta yung ating tire inflator. Yung isang wire is para sa ating tablet and then the other wire is for the phone. Okay? So turn on na natin. Then, let's press DC. Umilaw yung ating tire inflator and nag-charge na yung ating tablet and yung ating phone. Output niya is 21 watts. Okay, turn on na natin yung AC. Pag turn on ng AC, ayan, umilaw yung ating TV console, umilaw yung ating laptop, umilaw yung ating sound system. Check natin yung ating router. And yes, umiilaw na siya. Buksan natin yung electric fan. Lagyan natin sa number 3. Okay, it's working na. And, buksan natin yung TV. Yan. Wait lang natin, nagbo-boot pa yung TV natin. Yung laptop, double check kung nag-charge. And, yes, it is charging. Okay, so ito guys, sabay-sabay na naggumagana yung ating router, laptop, tablet, cellphone, sound system, electric fan, tire inflator, TV, and the console. Tignan natin ngayon kung ilang watts sabay-sabay gumagana. Okay, as of now, I have 444 watts continuously. Since 700 watts naman ang maximum na to, syempre, kaya niya. So, nakalagay dito sa ating battery health, since masyadong mataas din yung ating consumption, 450 watts average, yung 42% battery life is 0.3 hours na lang or 0.4 hours. I don't know if it is 25 minutes maybe. 0.4 kasi 0.5 is of hours is 30 minutes. Ito 0.3, mga 20 minutes maybe. Kung continuous natin na ginagamit ngayon to, lahat ng appliances na nakikita ninyo.